With so many great things to see and do down in the City Market, it is a great place to spend a Saturday.
I'm having a great time. So if you want to have a great time, go to kansascityrivermarket.com for more information, or you can check out our website at thepowerofkc.com.
Good job. And up next on The Power of KC, we will show you some weird science, and then we'll also see if our little Jennifer can cut it in the great outdoors.
Oh, really?
Really?
Oh, it's on, Phil.
Bring it on.
Oh, it's on.
Union Station. Since 1914, hundreds of thousands of passengers have traveled through this beautiful Kansas City landmark. Then after the renovation in 1996, you can once again shop, dine, mail a letter, or catch a train.
Oh, but that's not all. Some kids might cringe thinking about studying science on a Saturday, but not at Union Station. Science City makes science fun.
Also, you can explore an exhibit, you can visit the planetarium, you can catch a live show, or even a movie.
So much to do on a Saturday. Let's go check out Kansas City's own Union Station.
Watch me rock the Segway. Sir, I'm sorry, you are not tall enough to ride the ride. It's not for everybody.
Shake it, come on, shake it. We are here with Sarah Biles. Sarah, you are the Director of Community Relations here for Union Station. Tell us about Union Station, the overview, what's here, what someone can do.
There is so much to do here at Union Station. I like to say the #1 attraction is the ceiling right above us.
Beautiful.
People come in and open their mouths wide. And
Real history real quick. Built in 1914, but then in 1996, this whole place is renovated.
Exactly, and the voters from Kansas and Missouri came together and approved half of that cost, half of the $250 million that it took to restore the building. But as you can see, it's beautifully restored. Today we have a science center, which is Science City, all kinds of fun interactive. We've got the rail experience, which is about the American Railroad, Kansas City history of the railroad. We've got a live theater, we've got a 3D movie screen.
What's up with the movies?
That's fun, I like that.
That's the IMAX, the gigantic, huge movie. And you put the 3D things on.
Put the fun glasses on. It's 5.5 stories tall, 75 feet wide. And so, you know, the dinosaurs are coming right at you, the whales and dolphins.
So you got that, then you have some travel exhibits. Some of the most world-renowned exhibits have been here at Union Station.
Right.
Exactly. Currently, we have the Chronicles of Narnia.
Right.
We're the Midwest
Which
premiere
has
for that.
It's no effect and feature, which I still have all over my hair.
And some of the ones you've had in the past, Dialogue in the Dark.
Dialogue in the Dark, which was, I think you came down to see, totally in the dark, a unique experience. We had Bodies Revealed, we've had Dead Sea Scrolls, Titanic. They rotate in and out every 3 to 5 months. We've got chocolate coming in the fall. Woo!
Chocolate.
I'm
I
sure
heard
you'll
that.
be back for that.
Okay, if I'm hungry here,
We have the Harvey House Diner. Where
stop you there. Historical Harvey House.
Historical. The name Harvey House started here at Union Station. Actually, it was pretty much known as the first fast food chain in America, and he took that concept and put it on the train and took it westward, and then we've kind of modernized it up to the 50s.
And then if I want to get a fine dining for a steak, where can I go?
Fine dining, Pier Ponce, has steak, seafood, great bar for the older crowd.
And you have a chocolate shop.
I love you. You're beautiful.
How about hours? What are the hours here at Union Station?
The station itself is open every day, 6 a.m. to midnight. Trains come in and out. We've got 6 trains a day, so you can
We should take a train.
Train to be
catch
fun.
Amtrak to St. Louis, Chicago, LA. Very fun. And then the attraction's open Tuesday through Saturday, 9:30 to 5:30, Sunday noon to 5:30.
If people want to know more about Union Station, your website is?
Very easy, unionstation.org.
All right, how about that? Well, thank you so much for having us. We're going to go check out the rest of this beautiful entertainment complex.
Please do. Thanks for coming.
Is that how we do it? That's good. I'm okay. Come on, Phil. Let's go be an astronaut. Houston, we have a problem.
Jennifer, we have a problem.
Come in, Phil. How are your coordinates?
Houston, the problem is Jennifer.
I could totally take this thing down.
Look at me, I'm landing this thing. Good flight. Let's go.
It's not moving. I have no idea what I'm doing. Not a clue. Have you found the scene of the crime?
No, I haven't yet.
We must keep looking. I have no legs. No legs. I'm doing a tap dance, but you can't tell. We're going on a dig. This place is so much fun. It's so much fun.
It makes science fun.
What do you think we're gonna find under here?
Oh, that's just a fence.
That's just a what? A fence? Oh, we're finding a fence over here, apparently. A very, very grand find. Here,
You guys ever heard of Tiger Woods? I don't know if you heard of him or not.
Yeah.
I taught him how to play. Taught him everything he knows.
Okay.
Ready? Here he goes.
No.
Yeah!
All
Huh?
right, we'll make way. Let me try it.
Give it a shot.
Okay, watch out, y'all. Here we go.
Oh!
You guys having fun?
Union Station! Yeah!
See, it's fun and educational, right, guys?
I'll tell you what, Union Station is more than just a train station. It's an entertainment complex that has something for everybody. And if you want more information about Union Station, you can go to unionstation.org or our website, thepowerofkc.com.
We'll be right back. Yeah!
Yeah!